Let's talk about the phrasal verb to get away. This phrasal verb has a lot of different meanings depending on the context. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 common meanings of the phrasal verb to get away. The first meaning is to leave a place, especially when this place is making it hard for you to escape. For example, you could say, I had planned to leave work early today, but I ended up not being able to get away until almost 6 o'clock. Our second definition is similar to our first definition in the fact that you're leaving a place, you're getting away. But this one we use in the context of taking a vacation. For example, you might say, I really need to get away. I just want to leave the city for a few days. And the third one is one that we might be the most familiar with, and this is when you're trying to escape a situation. You're trying to get away from someone. For example, you might say they managed to get away from the people that were following them. All right, these are the common definitions for the phrasal verb to get away. Let me know what other phrasal verbs you're having trouble with. Pop them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.